Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you're doing well. So, in the last lecture, we studied about chemical values of silver, platinum, and golds. And today, we'll discuss another topic, which is non-metal. So let's understand non-metal step by step. In relation to non-metals, dear student, non-metals are elements that usually gains or share electrons during chemical reactions. They are found on the right-hand side of the periodic table, except hydrogen, and include elements like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine, etc. Now, characteristics of non-metals. First, in physical properties of non-metal. Dear student, generally, non-metal are soft except diamond and have low melting and boiling points except diamond and graphite, and poor conductors of heat and electricity, exist in solid, liquid, or gaseous state at room temperature, i.e. L2 and 2 gases, Br2L in liquid form, while sulfur, phosphorus are in solid form. Now, chemical properties of non-metals. Radiation have high ionization energy and high electronegativity, usually form negative ions in anions by gaining electrons, show acidic or neutral oxides, e.g. CO2, Ac2 acidic oxides, while CO and NO neutral oxides. React with hydrogens to form covalent hydrides, e.g. NH3, H2S. React with oxygens to form covalent oxides. Now, occurrence of non-metals. Pedestrian non-metals are abundant in nature. Oxygen is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Nitrogen forms about 78% of the atmosphere. Sulfur and phosphorus occur in minerals. Now, uses of non-metals. First, oxygen are essential for respiration and combustion. Nitrogen used in fertilizer, explosives, and preservation of food. Sulfur used in alkalization of rubbers, gunpowder, and sulfuric acid manufacture. Chlorine used in disinfectant, bleaching powder, and PVC manufacture. Phosphorus used in fertilizer, matches, and fireworks. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on non-metals. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.